Hey guys, let's make chicken cobbler. Use 2 cups of chicken stock. Mix in a can of cream of chicken with herbs. Preheat oven to 350. Melt 1 stick of butter in your pan. Add in your rotisserie chicken. Pour mixed vegetables over top of the chicken. Season with Kinder's All Blend, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper. Pour the chicken stock mixture over top of that. Get Red Lobster biscuit mix. Add in 2 cups of milk. Use half of that seasoning pack. Save the other half for later. Pour biscuit mixture over top of that. Do not mix. Put in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. When it's almost done, melt some butter and add the rest of that seasoning pack into your melted butter and mix. Spread that melted butter and that seasoning mix over top and enjoy. Follow me for more recipes.